Hey gang, welcome back to Opaw's Diecast Restorations. Today we've got a little vehicle that's kind of like the Tootsie Toy, but has no name and no manufacturer listed on it. I got this recently from my friend Mark over at Matchbox Mark Makeovers. Check him out. He's got some really cool videos and restoration. I thought this one would be interesting because it's the first one I had that has all metal wheels on it. Even though the casting is poorly done, I thought, well, I can fist that little bugger up in no time. Was missing some pieces. I have no idea what car this is. It could be a Fiat. It could be an old Baker. I have no idea. Anybody out there knows? Give me a shout out in the comments. Get it all into our stripper. As I said earlier, it was kind of a poor casting, whoever made it. A lot of casting marks and lines on it. The wheels were supposed to be wooden spoke wheels, but until I checked it out, the casting flash or whatever had filled in, so all I did was poke it with the end of one of my needle files to open them up. This one wheel here in particular, they hadn't even gotten it a proper cast on it. It didn't fill up in the mold, so it had a little flat spot on the tire. After I was done filing it all down and cleaning it up, it buffed out real nice on the wire wheel. Spray painted the wheel. One of the things it was missing was the original lantern style lights on it. So I installed this piece of brass tubing. Then I handmade the little lantern. Got a chance to use my old jewelry punch for punching out circles. Use this to make the steering wheel, which I lost the footage of, but see, I'm used the metal ring and that circle I cut out for the center section. I lost the footage of me making the little lantern, but I got a picture on Google of some of the old style lantern lights and made my interpretation of them. primer on it. This diecast was a lot softer metal for some reason. Here I am painting the rubber on, or at least the facsimile of the rubber for the wheels. There you go, dummy. Put it in the picture so everybody can see it. Them spokes cleaned up really nice after I ran that needle file through them a little bit. Clean up the wheels, or the axles, I'm sorry. And torched them and dipped them in the Arl. The original axles were crimped on the end. I decided to cut the crimp off since there was a lot of length to them and clean over the rebuild. Here's all the pieces ready for reassembly and detail work. This is what we started with, chipped up, no name, no manufacturer, dirty, missing pieces. This is what we ended up with. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to go over to Matchbox Mark's channel and check out his build. Got the steering wheel in. I painted the brown leather seat in. Got the lantern light made and installed. Since most of these vehicles were black, that's what color I went back with. If you like this video, again, please hit that thumbs up. For now, this is Opaw saying goodbye.